What's good, y'all? This is BCC the Villain coming at you again with another video. I'm very excited to bring you these ones, but I'm not going to hold you up. So, without further ado, let's get right into it. Pick the top off. So you guys will probably already know exactly what these are. It's based off the box. We have a tan box with a infrared Jumpman. The box is kind of heavy. Like I said, tan box, infrared Jumpman. Going over to the size tag. Travis Scott, Cactus Jack logo, Nike Air. Go back around, Travis Scott, Nike Air. The bottom's brown with the infrared. Cactus Jack. This box is kind of dinged up. Air Jordan 6 Retro SP, whatever that means. British Khaki Bright Crimson USA 13. Size and tag, US. MSRP USD 250. Let's open these bad boys up. Ooh, got these off GOAT. Throw it away. Before we even get into the shoe, they come with these. They come with this dust bag. It's more like one of them small backpacks you just throw stuff in, throw on your back, keep it pushing. Cactus Jack on the back. I have that Jumpman on the front. Now we peel back one paper. So that's the second paper. As you guys can see, these are the British Khakis. 36 British Khaki, Travis Scott and collab. Boy, am I excited to bring y'all these. I'm very excited to give you guys a look at these. These British Khaki Jordan 6s. I actually got these for a pretty good price. What had happened was when I bought those Shadow 2.0 ones, I sold them on GOAT. And I used a GOAT credit to buy these, which ended up coming out to like $240. I mean, plus tax and shipping, so it's pretty much retail. So I call that a W, if you're asking me. Getting into a bit of a review, you have these long-haired suede all over the shoe. You have this canvas material. That's brown. You got those brown hits. You got the brown tongue. Brown hit here. You have a stash pocket here, which will have the extra lace lock for this. This one's infrared. This one on the right is going to dark. All right, going over to the back. It says Cactus Jack on the back. More of that suede, more of that canvas inside. All these like clear parts of the shoe, they all go in the dark. Have another stash pocket here. You zip this out and you can put stuff in there. Also comes with a pair of infrared laces and brown laces. Same thing on the right shoe, of course. On the bottom, you have Cactus Jack up here. This whole outsole is going to dark. It says Travis Scott, but reversed, and it has that Cactus Jack logo right next to the Jumpman. The midsole is more of that khaki, has the white hit there. The air unit's crimson. It has that Cactus Jack logo right there. So like I said, like a minute ago, all the clear parts are going to dark. So what I have is a black light flashlight, and I'm about to show y'all. So you shine this, all this glows right here too. But yeah, see, this part glows in the dark. This part glows. The back tab, that glows. Going over to the outsole, that glows as well. Moving into the tongue, because I know if I take this tab off, it'll say Cactus Jack on the little lace cover. And inside they have that Nike Air or more of that canvas material. Same thing on the left. Oh wait, no, this one says Cactus Jack on the left shoe. And it'll have the same thing behind here, the Cactus Jack logo behind the lace cover. And I almost forgot to add, these do have 3M on the inside. So I have 3M here, 3M on the other shoe. And then when you turn these over, they have 3M on the pockets too. So yeah, guys, that is my review on the Jordan 6 British Khaki, Travis Scott collab. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.